Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing your workspace and tools so you don't stall halfway. Lay an anti-static mat, remove the SD card and battery, and keep a parts tray nearby. Use a tri-wing to remove back screws, then a Phillips for internal screws. The two drivers prevent stripped heads. Once screws are out, use a plastic spudger to pry seams gently. Don't force plastic clips. Make sure to photograph each stage, because visual memory saves time when you reassemble. You proceed to the detailed mid-steps with deliberate care. Disconnect ribbon cables by lifting the locking tabs and sliding cables straight out. This avoids bent contacts. Unscrew and set aside the hinge assembly, then remove speakers and the power board in sequence so connectors remain accessible. When detaching the top display, hold it by the edges and support the panel to prevent stress on the ribbon. Once components are free, compare the new shell layout. So you finish by reversing the removal steps with methodical checks. Reinstall rubber pads and buttons into the replacement shell, align the LCD and digitizer, then reconnect each ribbon and lock its tab. Reattach the hinge and power board, torque screws snugly but don't over-tighten, and replace the rear shell. Once reassembled, insert the battery and SD card, then power on to verify screen, touch, and buttons. If something fails, power down immediately, reopen, and inspect connectors and screw locations to isolate the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.